Hey everybody, this is John from Rad Relics, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I use ChatGPT-5 to increase my proficiency at listing on eBay.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day because I love my occupation.
This has nothing to do with the video. Just give me 30 seconds to get this off my chest, but I want you guys to know that I believe that artificial intelligence, that AI that we see now is in its infancy, and I believe that what it is going to do for humanity, it will absolutely change the world as we know it if we can just get past all of this BS this tribalism, these wars, all of this garbage. If we can just develop the technology, I believe that artificial intelligence will solve all of humanity's problems. But right now, my problem, old Johnny Johnson's problem, is being more proficient at listing on eBay. I have ADHD. I'm not always the absolute best at coming up with ideas. My brain is a vat of mashed potatoes, and sometimes it doesn't even have gravy on it. So, what I'm going to do is I've got ChatGPT-5 pulled up here, and it says, what's on the agenda today? And today, I'm going to put in a prompt that says, I'm going to upload photos and would love for you to make an SEO optimized listing for eBay and a title as well. I hit enter, it enters in that prompt, and it says, perfect, go ahead and upload the photos, and once I see them, I'll create an SEO optimized eBay title, the max of 80 characters, because it knows that you can only have 80 characters max, with the most relevant search terms in the right order, a professional detailed description including brand size, measurements, material, color, style, condition, and notable features, extra keywords that buyers commonly search for, a short marketing line to make the item appealing. Upload the pictures when you're ready. So what I have here, I'm going to show you guys. I've pre-taken all of my photos, and I'm going to have to minimize this. I'll pull it over here and I'll let you guys see. These are all of my photos that I have taken that I'm going to list. But typically what I like to do is I love to give a picture to the AI so that it can see like the whole shirt when I'm listing clothing. And then another thing that's important is to be able to take a clear photo of the the make tag and then the size tag. Because with that you can actually upload those, and it will tell you it'll use all that information to build your listing. You can also it'll distinguish that that's a pit-to-pit measurement. It knows if you ask what is a 25-inch pit-to-pit measurement, it will tell you. Now this shirt is a medium, which that's a larger shirt. That's not a typical medium, but it's a Hawaiian style shirt, so they typically are made bigger. And you can see here that it's got a shoulder to shoulder shoulder to shoulder measurement. I don't know where that came from. No one's having a shoulder surgery in my life. But that's 21 inches. Now, I will tell you that AI does have some problems seeing where the measurement is and where the shoulder is. So they can be off, but we're going to go on. And what we're going to do is we're going to throw this one down here, and I'm going to move this over to my other screen. I have two computer monitors, so I'm going to throw the ones in that I want it to have. That's a butt to neck measurement. Here is a shoulder to shoulder, and here is a pit to pit. Now I've got all of these measurements. Now I'm not typing anything else in here. I'm just going to upload these photos, and it's going to think here, and it's examining these photos. It's looking for text. It's seeing what the photo is made up of. It says, got it, thanks for the photos and measurements. It even knew I had measured, like there were measurements. And here's a ready to use SEO optimized eBay title and description for your shirt. It says eBay title 80 characters. It came up with North Peak Dragon shirt, men's medium, black, gold, red Asian print, Hawaiian, and Aloha style. And if you see, that's North Peak, it's a size medium. and sometimes it'll even pick up the material that the shirt's made up of. And it says, add some bold vintage inspired style to your wardrobe in this North Peak men's button up shirt, featuring a striking dragon and kanji print in gold. I don't know what a kanji is, but AI does. White and red on the black background. This piece has relaxed Hawaiian aloha style, perfect for casual wear, summer outings, or vacation vibes. Here's the details. It gives the brand, which was North Peak, size. It's a men's medium, color black gold with white and red dragon print. Material is 100% polyester, so it read the tag and knew what the material was made out of. It's a short sleeve. It comes up with the pit to pit. Length is 30, shoulders is 19.5, and the sleeve length is 10 inches. Now, I did not include that in there, but I find that it's fairly correct. It might be an inch off, but typically AI just knows how long these sleeves are on these clothing. But what I like to do, because I haven't verified that measurement, I will remove that measurement when I list it. It says conditioned, pre-owned, gently worn, no major flaws. See photos for details. Keywords: vintage dragon shirt, Asian style print, camp shirt, Hawaiian shirt, men's retro festival shirt, streetwear. Great addition to any wardrobe, perfect for casual wear or vacation style. So what I do is I'll take this title here and I highlight it. I go over to my eBay and I will click sell, and I'm going to create a listing, and I'm just going to throw that in, and it's going to be a regular. I always like to list my stuff at good. You can do whatever you want to do, but I do good. We're going to continue with that. And it's there we go. Now I'm going to upload my photos. We're going to go all the way through this. Now I used a different phone. I have an iPhone that I used to take photos with, so it made them like 4.3 or 4 by 3 or something like that. I don't know. I hate it, but I'm not retaking all these photos, so I'm going to try to make it as square as possible with my bad eyes. So I square that out just for my first pic, so everything kind of looks universal and nice and good. Now I have everything upstairs CR1. That's my designation of where the shirt's at. Upstairs clothing rack 1. Now you when you go through item specifics, they all apply. The brand again is North Peak. Now there are listing programs out there that apparently that will do all of this for you, but I use Chat GPT for so much that like it's just not worth buying this and buying another subscription. Like some of these are 50 cents a listing. Like, and I'm not knocking anyone. Actually, that's one word. I'm sorry. This is you're experiencing my North Peak ADHD. We'll put multicolor. It has filled in a lot of these from the information that I gave it. Now, what I do is I have custom templates. I have one for clothing. I like to throw that in, and then what I'll say is the shirt is in good shape. Please see photos for measure, measurements and condition. And now what I'll do is I'll go back over here and I'm going to take this eBay description. I'm going to copy this, and then I go over here and then I'm going to put it in. But what we're going to do real quick while we're here, we're going to check these measurements. So that's probably about 30. We're going to change that to 30. It's 31 or 32. We'll go with 31. It's right in the middle. Pit to pit is actually 24.5. See, now it put that pit to pit in wrong because 22.5 is typically a medium pit to pit measurement. And I will put up here because I know that this is a larger medium, and you should compare measurements to a shirt to be happy with the fit. That's why I struggle. That's why I like AI. Now I could tell AI. I'll show you that when we're done here. I could tell AI the measurements, and it will say it would actually tailor the whole listing towards it being a larger fit, like it being a larger medium, like it's a baggy medium, and that's 21. We're going to go 21. Um, we're going to go 21 shoulder to shoulder. And as I said, I don't like using something that I don't personally have a measure, because you see it can be a little bit different. But if I wasn't talking and working through this so drastically increases my proficiency with listing. So what we're going to do is what I'll do sometimes is I'll go over here to using AI again. I'll search by Google image, and I will upload an image of that shirt. Well, there we go. I'll upload an image of that shirt, and it'll give me some, like, if I'm curious as to what it would sell for. Like, you can go to Grail, get some ideas of pricing, $20. They have one on Depop for 28. I like Depop because it tells the items, the price of the item. Now, here's one on eBay. Let's see if it is actually there. I find that on eBay that those listings, when they pop up in the Google image search, they're no longer there. I don't know if that's because items sell quicker on eBay, or because items sell or because they index older listings from eBay longer. I don't know. But I think I'm just going to list this one. Like, I got literally $1 in it, so we're going to list it at $15.95 because it's kind of cool. I'm not going to do auto price reduction, allow offers. I don't really like allowing offers, but we will. We're going to turn offers on that. This shirt, because it's lightweight, it's going to weigh about 10 ounces, and typically my bag is 12 by 12 by 2, and I do calculations for all of my shipping. And something that I do. Oh, let me minimize that. Something that I do is calculate I actually share my shipping discount with my customers, because this shirt will cost me $5.19 to $6.24 to ship, but they would want to charge $8.15 to $10.60, and I think it gives me the advantage. So I do share my discount with my customers. You do what you want to do. Some people tell you it's a good idea. Some people tell you it's not. We list it, and there you go. And that's how I use it to list an item on eBay. It's so super simple. Like, it's super simple. Now, I've never used a listing, an AI lister. I don't know how they work. I don't figure that I need to, because it's just an extra step. I can use this for anything. This AI tool can literally be used for how many threads are in a sock. I don't know. I mean, like, that's kind of a dumb one, but you can say, like, how many miles is it from here to the moon? It'll tell you that. Like, any question that you want to know, you can ask the AI, and it will tell you, and it will also help you list. And I use it if I have an especially difficult customer. I will highlight their message that they sent to me. I'll put it into AI, and I will say, AI, reply to this message, but be kind. Use a kind tone, an understanding tone. Don't be harsh. Don't be critical. Be apologetic. But this is what I want, and be firm. And it will type it all out for you. I just copy and paste it and put it right into eBay. I don't have to I don't have to think up what I'm going to say. I just do it automatically. And there are so many tools that you can use this AI for when it comes to eBay. And I've used it for my YouTube channel. I've used it to create thumbnail images. I've used it to give me video ideas. And I just can't tell you how I think artificial intelligence is going to change our lives. It's either going to kill us or it's going to take us into the 20, I guess we're already in the 21st century, the 22nd century. It's going to be way before that. It's going to take us to the stars. It's going to take us to the moon. It's going to take us to Mars, and it's going to take us out into the universe. So I'm excited, or I'm going to be dead. It don't matter. Either way. There ain't much I can do. I'm just going to live on this life until the good Lord calls me home. So, what do you guys think? Do you think that that's a really good tool? Or are you still like, oh my gosh, AI is the devil? And yeah, there you go. Let me know down below. I'm excited to hear what you guys think about this YouTube video. You guys have a good evening, and God bless you guys. Merry Christmas!